The Indian Army and the Manipur police recovered a substantial catch of arms and ammunition during a joint search operations in the Imphal East district yesterday. The Ministry of Defence for the Manipur, Nagaland and Southern Arunachal Pradesh confirms this recovery in an official release. The operation was initiated based on the specific intelligence regarding the presence of arms and ammunition in the fringe areas of the Imphal East. Joint teams of the Indian Armies and the Manipur Police launched an extensive search operations on July 7, the release stated. Given the complexities of the terrains, an Army explosive detection dogs were deployed to assist the search team. The operation resulted in the recovery of the significant weaponry, including one heavy caliber 70 mm launcher, two 9 mm pistols, one 12-bore singles barrels guns, one improvised grenades launcher, 6 grenades, 2 tubes launchers, ammunitions and other warlike stores. The captured arms, ammunitions and warlike stores have been handed over to the Manipur police for the further investigations, the release added.